Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 29th December to 2nd January 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So here I have already opened the chart currently. Let's talk about the closing for Friday. So here we can see 0.05% negative move and 1.17709 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI, stochastic RSI is around 5768 levels, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for indicators or RSI, we should look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here you can see support and resistance zones are already marked during our previous week analysis, so we don't need to mark any such levels. Let's talk about straight closing. 1.17709 is the closing, and the direct support is 1.177670 and direct resistance is 1.17882. After direct support, there is a support of 1.17454 and then 1.17168. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.18202 and then 1.18507. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. So here if I talk about my opinion, so currently, before talking about my opinion, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my Forex playlist, where you will see what is funded account or prop firm. I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared a discount coupon which will help you to take discounts on any challenges that you buy from Blueberry Funded. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative momentum in this range, that is 1.174542 to 1.17670. I'm expecting a negative closing. Overall trend is positive. So if you're looking for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade. Once 1.17882 gets breached on a 4-hour candle or a one-day candle gets breached above this, then we can go for a long till 1.18202. Overall, my expectations a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. Also, Happy New Year to everybody. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.